Hi, this is Ignacio, work in 19CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about Database Management System Lab, and this exercise is 1B, Data Manipulation Language, that means DML, and I got so much of questions. I think 21 questions I have. So, in first question, to create a table, the name is deposit with the following specification. Its following specification I have column name and data type. The column name I have account number and C name, B name, and the amount and date, and the data type is variable of the character, and amount I have number, and the date is I have date. Here I have created table like deposit, and this is my register number, and create table deposit, and the column name account number, variable of character is, and C name and B name, that amount is number data type, and a date is a date. So I created a table here, and this is a table. You have to see means DESC deposit and the table name, and this is the table of the first question, and you have to move to second. So create a table branch with the following specification. The table name is assigned as branch, so column name as B name and city, and the data type is variable of character, and I create here table branch, create a table branch, and B name and city. So this is the table was created, and this is the table for a branch. And third one is the created table. The table name is customer with the following specification. In the following specification I have C name and a city. So here I create a table like customer and C name and city. So the table is created. So this is the table, and the last table to create a table like borrow, the table name with the following specification, and here I create a table like borrow, and this is the table. Wait. This is the table. And coming to the next question, second question, insert the following data as shown in the tables. So this is the table, and the deposit table, account number and C name, B name, and amount and the date. In this all we have to insert that following data in this deposit table. So here I insert the deposit table. To insert the following data as shown in the table, the first one to insert a deposit table, first one is the account number is 101, and C name is Anil, and B name is VRCE, amount is 1000, and the date is 1st March 1995. So here I create to insert into a deposit account number, C name, B name, and amount and a date. Values are 101 and Anil VRCE and 1000 rupees. The 1st March of 95 the draw was created. And second one, the account number is same 101, and C name is Sunil, and B name is AJNI, and amount is 5000, and date is 4th Jan 96. So that is here insert into deposit. Likewise I create 6 data shown in the table, after I was inserted, I want to see means this command I was to type. So select star from deposit the table name, and this is the table I insert the following data as shown in the table. And as same like this, I want to create a branch table and customer table and borrow table. So same like this, we have to create that, we have to insert the values, and uh, I inserted all the tables. So firstly I move on. This is the branch table, and this is the customer table, and this is borrow, and this is deposit. So I insert all the values in the table. So next, third question, list all the data from the table deposit. So this all the tables. And the fourth question, list all the data from a table borrow, and same like this. And fifth question, give amount number and the amount of depositor. So we come to fifth question. This is the command to select a account number and the amount from the deposit table. So I want to see only the account number and the amount. So this is the table. So we come to sixth question. Use select statement to display the names of the customer. And this is the sixth command. Select the CNAME from the customer of the table, and this is the table, the name only shown. And seventh question, list the names of branches, and select B name from the branch table, and this is the name given in the branch table. And the eighth question, display names of the customer living in city Nagpur, and I use the command select a CNAME from the customer where the city is equal to Nagpur. So this is the CNAME as shown in the Nagpur. And ninth question, display the names of customer having amount is less than 4,000, and this is the command I use the Sunil have less than 4,000, sorry, greater than 4,000, and display the account date of customer Anil. And this is the 10th question command, select a date from the table where the CNAME is Anil. So this is the date the Anil have verified. And 11th question, give the names of the all branches located in city Bombay. So we have to equal of the city is equal to Bombay. So this is the command, select the B name from branches, and the city is equal to Bombay. It will come the table. And 12th question, give the names of the depositors having account at VRC. So select a C name from the deposit, and where the B name is equal to VRCE. So no rows are selected because there are no values. So 13th question, display the names of all branches located in city Delhi. Select B name from branch. So the table have where the city is equal to Delhi, it shows B name, and where the name is equal to in the city of Delhi. And 14th question, display the names of customers who opened account after 1/12/95. So here is a command, select a C name from a deposit URK, that means my register number, where the date is listen of 1st December 95. These all the names. Display the 15th question, display the account number and deposit amount of customer having account opened between dates of 1/12/95 and 1/6/96. So this is a command to verify. Select C name from the table where the date is 1 December to 95 and 1 Jan 96 is 1 June 96 is. The names are Sunil and Pramod. And 16th question, give 10% interest to all depositors. So we have to update the deposit amount. So we have to here give update the deposit of the table and set the amount is equal to amount plus we have to insert a percentage of 10. So we have to amount divided by 10. The rows are updated and the updated rows are here. And 17th question, give 10% interest to all depositor having VRC. So this is the command and the rows are updated and the updated rows are here. The updated rows are here. And the 18th question, change the living city of VRC branch borrows to Nagpur. So the update the branch table, set city is equal to Nagpur where the B name is equal to VRC and the rows are updated. Updated rows are here. And 19th question, change the deposit of VRC branch to 1000 and change the branch as VRC is equal to AMBAZARI. And to update the deposit as set amount is equal to 1000 and B name as equal to VRC is updated one, and where the B name is equal to VRC, the rows are updated and updated rows are here, you see. And 20th question, delete the customers from Bombay city. And we have to delete command here, delete from customer table where the city is equal to Bombay. The rows are deleted and deleted table is here. And display the customer details whose names ends with the letter L. And this is that one, select a C name from the deposit table where the C name like percentage L. So that percentage L is means last name of the name. So this is that one. And that's all. I finished 21 questions. So this is my